In this video, we're going to be discussing Facebook groups and how you can use those to your advantage for your website or business. Now, Facebook groups make it much easier to connect with other people in the same specific area of the content that you may be looking at. For example, if you wanted to create a group of people for everyone that you work with, then maybe when so and so had a birthday, you could post that in the group, and only the people in the group that you where you work would receive that, and it wouldn't go out to every one of your friends. So it makes it a much better way to post and not clog up your news feed or your status page, as well as getting the word to the right people. So you probably wouldn't want to say happy birthday to someone you work with just in your regular news feed, because then everybody that you're friends with is going to see that, and then not that it would matter, but it would be much easier to see in a groups page. And another thing that makes Facebook groups so great is you can join up with different kinds of groups, and there's 3 different kinds, and we'll talk about those in a moment. But you can get some very good information inside these groups, and you can get some one-on-one conversations going with people that really know what they're talking about inside groups, where it's a little bit harder to get that kind of interaction just on a regular Facebook page or business page. So the groups, they're a targeted audience, even more specific than even just a business page. So that makes it much better. Now, like I said, there's 3 different kinds of groups, and they are open, closed, and secret. And they're pretty self-explanatory, of course. With your open groups, they're pretty much open to anyone that wants to join. Closed groups, you have to have a administrator to allow you to join. And a secret group is only seen or visible by people that know that it's there. So you're not even going to be able to join unless you know exactly where it's at, or unless you've received an invitation from someone in most cases. So here I've stated that anyone's able to see the page, such as other Facebook users who have liked the page, people that's commented on that page, page owners, and others. This is related to when you post a comment on a like page. Who can see it are people that can see the page, and people that can actually that have already liked that page. So keep that in mind when you go through that. This really doesn't relate to groups so much, but I wanted to throw that in there so there won't be any confusion, because if you comment on something that's in a group, then don't think that only the person you're commenting to can see it. Everyone in the group can see it. But all of your other friends that you are friends with can't see it, though. So that's, that makes it pretty good that way.